Hello guys, welcome to Technical Girlfriend Tech Tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn how to use Eclipse IDE for Java programming or Java development. Eclipse is an IDE which can be used to make Java program as well as Android apps as well. But in this video we will focus on Java programming only. Now Eclipse provides us a framework or an environment to easily write code, compile and run a Java program, and there are many other features as well that are present in Eclipse to help in Java programming or Java coding. Now, so first off, we have to download JDK and install it. If you have not installed JDK, if you have already installed JDK in your PC, there is no need to download it. Then we have to download the Eclipse. Then we will open the Eclipse and learn how to compile and run a Java program. So first of all, let's download the Eclipse. For this, just open the Google and search for Eclipse Juno download. There are many versions of Eclipse IDE. We are going to download here Juno. Now click it. You can see. Okay, now it has been opened. Now you can see here download 64-bit version. Okay. If your PC is 32-bit, then you have to download the 32-bit version of Eclipse. Now click on the download button. Here you can see the download button. Now you could. Okay. Now you can see it will start downloading. Okay, so when your download gets start, just you need to install it. So go to the downloads and I can see here, you can see here Eclipse has been installed. I mean downloaded. This is the installer for Eclipse. Now install the Eclipse. You have double click. Now we will wait for a few seconds till the Eclipse is installed. I believe that before this you have already installed JDK. Okay, wait for a minute, it will get installed. It will take little time to install. Before this I will tell you about the Eclipse IDE. Till Eclipse IDE is being installed, I will tell something about the Eclipse IDE. There are many versions of Eclipse that like Indigo, Juno, and there are many others. Using Eclipse, we can write code in Java, we can write code in C++, we can write code for Android app development as well. For an Android app development, we have to install some other plugins, but nowadays Android development is not done by using Eclipse, but it is done by using Android Studio. Okay, when you now you can see there is okay. I can see there are many options for Java developing, for C++ developers, or something else. Now, as I said, that Eclipse can be used for many programming languages like C++, JavaScript, for web development, for PHP as well. But we have to do it for Java, so we will click here for the Java developers. Now, this there is some problem, I think. Okay, create startup menu entry, create a start socket. Okay, now we click on install. Now it is while it is getting installed, I will tell you something else about the Eclipse. As in the previous video, we discussed about the NetBeans IDE for Java development. Eclipse is similar to NetBeans IDE. I mean, it works in the same way as the NetBeans works. Okay, accept it. Okay. In Eclipse, some features are also available like auto code generation. Auto code generation means code will be automatically generated by Eclipse. Auto completion, when you write something, it would automatically show the options that can be right at that particular line or that particular point. Also, there is a run button. There is a button for run that when you click it, your program will get compiled instantly. So these are the some features. I will discuss about some more features when we will use Eclipse. So first, let it get installed. It is installing. It will take few minutes, depending on 2 to 3 minutes. So we will wait till Eclipse is installed. One more thing you have to keep in mind that you must be connected to the internet all the time while installing Eclipse, because sometimes it may fetch some data from the internet as well. So it is good if you are connected now with the internet. Since you are watching this video, so I believe that you are connected to the internet. So that's a silly thing. Okay, we will wait. We will wait. Okay, now we can see that our Eclipse has been installed. Now it is asking to launch. I will click on the launch button. Let it get launched. Okay, it will take a few seconds to launch for the first time, because first time it creates some folders. Okay, now Eclipse has been launched. It is asking for a workspace. What is a workspace? Workspace is a folder as a place where all your Eclipse project, either it is Java project or any other languages project that you have made, will be stored. Now by default, it is taking a default folder of my PC. You can change by selecting browse and then select the folder you want as in workspace. Now we will launch here. Okay, okay, Eclipse is starting now. Okay, wait till Eclipse get starts completely. Okay, Eclipse is now open now. We will maximize it. And this is the welcome screen. You can see some options, samples, tutorials, overview, import existing project, and many things. Create a new Java project and anything. You can create a new Java project from here, and you can by clicking this uh, link. You can also create a new project by going to the file and new. When we click on the new, it will show you options, which type of project, I mean what kind of thing you want to create. Now I want to create a new project, so go to the new project. Now you can see this is your now it is asking for project name. I will say first project here. Okay, then we have some option, use and execution environment JRE. Okay, it is automatically taking Java SE 1.8. Okay, you can select this, use default JRE, currently JDK 1.2, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Okay, we will click on the next. Okay, now this is the project path, I mean the project tree, you can see. Now we will click on finish. As soon as we will click on finish, it will open the project explorer. It will open the project explorer. Here you can see. Okay, now you can see there is no Java file inside there. I mean there is no class. So click on the SRE folders. You can see, click on the SRC. All our Java files, I mean the .java, the files that starts with .java will be put in SRC folder. So just go on the SRC folder, click on the new, and we have to create the new package. and package is suppose com dot technical girlfriend tech gf. This is my package name. Finish it. Now you can see a package has been created here. This is the package name. Now about the package name, what is the use of the package name, what is the meaning of a package name, and how package name is important, and will be discussed later in new videos. So just till for now, just know that there is something package, and all the classes should be kept in a package. Now to create a new class, I will right click on the package name, click on the new, and I will click on the class. Since we have to create a new class, I will give the name test. Write the name of the class that you want. I am writing test class and finish it. Okay. Now as you can see, it has auto generated the class name like this. Now we will write main methods. You know that main method is public public static void main string args. Okay. Now as you can see, as soon as we enter a curly brace and press enter, it automatically inserted a brace. So that is the feature of this IDE of the Eclipse, that auto completion. Now I will write here system and press the control space. Okay, system dot, you can see the available options out dot print. That means we also have this feature. This is called the auto completion. As soon as we press the dot, so it shows the available options here. Now we will write, this is my first project in Eclipse, and I am super happy now. Okay. Now this is our program, simple program. Now how to run it? To run this program, we have to go to here. You can see the run test.java. Just click here. It is saying that okay, it is asking to save this. Okay, Control S. We are pressing Control S to save it. Now again, click on the run. You can see the output here. This is my first project in Eclipse, and I am super happy now. Now change something. Okay. Okay, so this is the way how to run. There is one more way to run the program. Just go to the project explorer. This area is the project explorer. You can see all your Java files here. Right click on the test file and then run as Java application. You have to click and run as. You can see the run as option here. Then click on the Java application. It will again run, and you can see the same output here. Now if we do some error, suppose this semicolon, I am making some error. Now you can see there is some error, and now whenever there is an error in your program, the line will be marked by a red cross. You can see syntax error, inject semicolon to complete block statement. So this is the feature of Eclipse. This is why Eclipse is very useful in writing a Java program, because there is no need to compile, and before even compiling, before running, it will tell you what is the error and in which line number the error is. Okay, now we will write some other code here. Okay, let's write integer first number equals to 5, integer second number equals to 10, integer sum of number equal to, now I want to write code to add two numbers, first number and second number. Now when I will write first, you can see it has automatically completed. Now again see, As I written Fi, I have written only Fi and I am pressing control and space. Now it is showing what options are available. Now you can see the first number option is available means, so we have to just press the enter button. I have entered here, yes, and then yes. Now we have to enter second number. I will write SECO and I will press. I will not complete the whole sentence. I am just pressing control and space. Now you can see it is showing you an option of second number. Now enter it. So this is called auto completion feature of Eclipse. Now we have to we added the, now we will print it system dot out. Now you can see auto completion feature. As soon as I am pressing dot, it shows available options print. Now we have to print the sum of number. As soon as I will write SUM and press control space, it automatically completes the sentence. Now I will run it from here test.java, run as Java application. Okay, save it. Here it is asking that you have not saved the program. I am saving it. Now you can see the output 15. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Here you can see. Okay, I am doing one thing that you can move the output window as well. Everything you can move. You can increase or decrease project explorer. You can see I am increasing or decreasing project explorer. Now guys, in this video I will tell you one more thing, that even in one package we can have more than one class. Now suppose here I want to create one more class. Go to the new and class. Now in this class I want something else, like suppose rectangle. I am writing a rectangle class. Okay, and enter finish. You can see a rectangle class has been opened. Now you have to write the code. Whatever code you want to write here, you can write your code here. You can write. So there can be one or more .java files within a package name. This is your package name com.texgf, mean technical girlfriend. Okay. So I have two Java files here, rectangle.java and test.java. So this is how to use Eclipse for Java development. Eclipse can be used for C++, for Android, for web development as well, but you must install C++ library or C++ compiler to write C++ code in Eclipse. So I hope you like the video. Guys, please click the like button, comment it and subscribe the channel. I will keep posting more videos for you. In next video I will post about some more features of Eclipse and some more programming tips in Java. So thank you guys, have a nice day.